Well, hello and welcome back to the channel, everybody. We finally got our box parts in from BC for the C240 here to continue the partial marinization of it to get it in the sailboat. So we'll go ahead and unbox this stuff and see what we got. Alright, first off we got some thermostat gaskets. Here is the main part I was looking forward to getting. So our marine exhaust manifold, cooled down by the coolant, the water jackets, and it also has a built-in intake here, which is huge. Here's our 90-degree thermostat cap. I believe this is our gasket. Let me see. Yep, it's in there. So that's our gasket to go in between the exhaust manifold and the bottom. So as you guys can see, this engine is fitted with a normal like stock dry exhaust and intake on it. So this will all be coming off and replaced with that one manifold. It doubles as the exhaust and the intake. So we're going to be condensing the engine's footprint a little bit more, which will be even better for putting in the boat. So we're just going to go ahead here, unbolt this manifold, take it off, and fit the new wet exhaust manifold up and see how everything fits and what we're working with. I believe there's some extra studs in here I'm missing because this manifold will not budge. Aha. Again, pulled the stud on accident. Alright. There it is, folks. Alright, well, what do we think? Is it going to go right on there, or are we going to run into some complications? So, let's throw it up on there and see if it fits. Alright, well, here it is. Let's fit it up. Okay. So far, so good. Oh. Never mind. So our problem is right here, this homemade alternator bracket is hitting right here on the intake. You can see that. So we're gonna have to unbolt this old alternator bracket. I'm really liking who built this engine last, because he wrote on each bolt 17, 17, so I know exactly what size I need before I go around guessing. It's like a little shim. Alright, and we're off. Alright, well here it is. I just have one nut holding it on right now in place. So this is kind of the profile, you can get the idea. Not bad. So we got that 90-degree thermostat cap that's going to face this direction. Connect it here with a little piece of pipe. And then here's our outlet. And that will run to our external heat exchanger, which is this unit right here. So this doesn't have a heat exchanger inside of it, because this is probably used for a keel-cooled boat. So, all right, well, we got the exhaust manifold pulled off, and we're gonna hit it with a fresh coat of this 2000-degree exhaust manifold paint. Make it look fresh. All right, well, we've also removed the exhaust manifold studs. Those ones were a bit too long. The company that sent me that new manifold, Clausen Diesel, also sent me this brand new stud kit, which is very awesome. So we're gonna go ahead and install these. We've already sanded this down, cleaned it up to get ready for the new gasket. So we'll pop these on and go from there. All right, studs are in and complete. They're looking good and ready to go. All right, well, I removed the straight up and down thermostat cap to replace it with the 90-degree, or my bad, the horizontal one. The thermostat looked in quite rough condition, so I ordered a new one, have it in, so we're gonna remove this one. I already went ahead and removed the sealant that was in here and cleaned up the flange here where we're gonna be mounting the new one. All right, back over here in my parts department, we're gonna go ahead and grab our new thermostat cap, which I went ahead and painted red to match the engine. It looks nice and shiny and new. We got some sealant here for it, and last but not least, the gasket. All right, so we have our flange and seating all cleaned up. We got our sealant here. We're gonna go ahead and give that a little lip where the thermostat sits. A nice little coating to keep it sealed. Okay. Next off, we're gonna go ahead and pull out our new thermostat. I already checked that it was the right size. We're gonna go ahead and install this puppy. Seated nice and well. Alright. We're gonna do a quick test fit of the therm cap. Looks good. Alright. Here's our new gasket. Set that there for now. Get a nice thin layer of this sealant on each face. We don't want a whole bunch of excess in there because I've had problems in the past with stray bits of sealant ending up in the cooling ports of the engine and clogging them up. So most of that excess out of there. Alright, well that completes the new thermostat and thermostat cap. Looks good and fresh and ready to go. Over here is a little sneak peek of what I've been working on in the background. This will be in our next episode. I've went ahead and built some fake stringers to basically measure the footprint of the Perkins. So I will know exactly how the Isuzu will have to sit to match up in the boat in real life on the stringer. So that'll give us some reference measurements and just kind of give us a general idea of what's going on. So stay tuned for that. Well, hello everybody, and thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all the likes and comments and subscriptions you guys give me. That is awesome and it helps out immensely. I'd also like to say I'm going to put my Cash App link down below. So if you feel like supporting the channel, you can go ahead and do that. All the money I get from that will be going straight towards the repower for motor mounts, the new alternator, new piping and plumbing for the cooling system and things like that. You don't have to. My channel will always be free to watch. I like to make the videos because I enjoy making them. It's my passion. But if you'd like to, that's always an option. Hope to see you all soon in the next video. Until then, take care.